What is up, everybody? Welcome to She Found It, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my curly to straight hair care process. Now, I have never done this before where I have only used one brand's line of products to straighten my hair, but this time I decided that I was going to try the Chi line. So stay with me because we're going to go over my process live on location from my bedroom, and I'm going to show you what I do to straighten my hair. I always have people asking me what that process is and how long does it take, so I'm going to go over that in this video right now. I'm also going to share with you the tools that I use to straighten my hair, as well as what I actually thought about Chi and does their product work in hair like mine. So stay with me, we're going to get into it right now. I'll start off by saying I only straighten my hair every 3 to 4 months because every 3 to 4 months, that's when I cut my hair. I give my hair a dusting and I actually do it myself, which will be my next video. I will show you the process on how I cut my own hair and why I cut my own hair. I was really surprised this time around straightening my hair. It has grown a lot in the last little bit. My hair literally this time last year was really short. I'll show you a picture from last year and this year just to show you the difference in like the growth in my hair. So when I straightened my hair this time around, I couldn't even believe how long it was. I haven't had my hair this long since I was in high school, so that'll definitely be another video. However, let's get into right now the 4 products that I decided to use from Chi and what my tools are. To detangle my hair, I use this brush here. So this is for when my hair is curly. A comb, because you definitely need a pick comb to straighten your hair with. And then this wicked tool I actually got at Winners. And this, basically you just put your hair in it like that, close, and you comb it through. My hair's a little bit knotted right now, but you can comb it through and the straightener would come after, which you'll see in my process. I love this straightener. It's actually super dope because it's a straightener and a curler in one. It is also the Chi brand Chi Air, I don't know if it's gonna focus, Chi Air straightener. It has a nice little part at the end here so you can just pinch it and like roll your hair. This I bought at Winners. I honestly think it was like $80 maybe. The Chi infrared treatment, the keratin mist, the street guard cream, and the thermal protective spray. So those are the 4 Chi products that I decided to use. Now, the reason why I decided to use all these Chi products is because really I found them at Winners and they were quite cheap. So I thought, well, I have the straightener, so why not try all of the products? So I start the straightening process off by shampooing my hair and then adding a deep conditioner and doing it with the dryer bonnet for 5 minutes. The dryer bonnet is really good because it helps open up the cuticle shaft and really allows your deep conditioner to penetrate your hair better. This one's awesome. I bought it on Amazon. It has a good little drawstring on the bottom and a clip to hold the bonnet while the blow dryer is pumping air through that bad boy. After you take the bonnet off, the hair will be very warm. You can feel it. Here now is my hair after the deep condition. I've began to spray the keratin mist all through my hair, really trying to get all my curls covered and saturated with the keratin mist. I begin by parting my hair half up, half down. I do the back first and then the top second. Then I'll follow up with another spray just to really make sure that inside my hair got all that keratin mist. So I always start off by just doing small sections with the round brush and blow drying it through. I find that using the round brush really helps smooth the hair out better than using a blow dryer comb. Don't mind the faces I'm making. I'm always making weird faces when I'm straightening my hair. The back is the hardest. It is such an arm workout trying to maneuver the blow dryer and twisting your arm up. So before I would use the blow dryer, I was applying the straightening cream to it. I didn't really enjoy the way it made my hair feel. It was really difficult for the round brush to get through my hair. I was kind of struggling with that. That was my least favorite because it made blow drying my hair way more difficult. So now that my hair is completely blow dried, I'm gonna go through and begin to straighten it with the flat iron. You can see here my ends are hella dead, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So this is when I use the thermal protector. I always spray the thermal protector over my hair before I apply the straightener. And I find that it does help. And when I'm straightening my hair, I tend to do smaller sections just because the bigger the sections, the harder it is to get that hair straight on the first 1 or 2 presses. And I don't really want to press my hair more than that. I will give the product one thing. It did make my hair look shinier, but it didn't feel healthier. Now, the one thing that I really didn't like was this weird residue that was left on my fingers. It was shiny and silver. I'm not too sure why that is or what is going on, but I did not like that. So my overall thoughts about using just the cheap products to straighten my hair, I actually didn't really like them too much. I felt like my hair was more dry after using them. Typically, what I straighten my hair with is Moroccan oil, and I do still use the Chi Iron Guard spray as a protective spray. I just found that using all of these products for my particular hair was not good. The infrared treatment, when I put it on my hair in the shower, my hair literally felt like straw, which really isn't good. I've never used a treatment or a deep condition or something like that where my hair felt like straw. Like it was not good. So initially when I had used the infrared treatment, I thought, shit, like what's the other stuff gonna make my hair feel like? When I used Moroccan oil, I put it in my hair and my round brush glides through my hair very easily. But when I put the Iron Guard on, maybe it was because it was in conjunction with the keratin mist, like it was really dry and stiff. I felt like I was breaking my hair more than anything. Once it started to blow dry out, like it was okay. It wasn't as sleek and smooth as I was expecting it to be. I don't think I'll be using the cheap products again. The infrared treatment was horrible. These products are supposed to all work in conjunction with each other. So I don't know why my hair was so dry when I put this on. I understand my ends feeling a little bit more dry, but it was from my roots that it felt dry. What? That for me is alarming, so I will never put that in my hair again. The Straight Guard cream is an absolute no. It should have slid through my hair. This did not allow my brush to slide through my hair, and it was really stiff. The Iron Guard I've always used the Iron Guard while I was straightening my hair as a protective spray because it didn't really do anything bad to my hair. I'll keep this, but overall not happy with the products. I wasn't super impressed with it. Now, the things that I was impressed with was this little gadget here. That was the first time that I had used this, and I actually really liked it. I thought it was awesome, and I didn't have to hold my hair on its own all the time. This brush was unbelievable. This was really, really, really good. I definitely recommend getting that detangle brush and using it in the shower. Like it just was gliding through my hair like no problem. So I find that my hair always sits better a couple days after I've straightened my hair. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I wear a silk cap to bed, and that really just helps like soften and smooth things out. But right now we're gonna do a length check, and I have trimmed my hair, keep in mind, but I'm gonna do a length check. I made this cute little length check t-shirt with, you know, each inch behind. So let's put it on and see how this goes. I'm feeling pretty good about that length, and I'm really excited to see in the next like year and a half, how much more it's gonna grow as I continue my process. So if you're a curly girl and you have your favorite straightening products, please comment below and share it with me, because I would love to try something new that's really gonna work for my hair and not make my hair feel like it's about to fall out. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I come out with a new video. So stay tuned and bless.